Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the hearing control center on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, then go down a little bit and tap on hearing control center. Once you're here, you have here the included controls that are going to be in the hearing control center, and also you can with just tapping and holding these three lines right here, you can change its positions with whatever you want to have. Just you can control it. Also, you can just type the minus right here, and this is going to be not included in the controls, the hearing control center. So you can just delete and leave only one if you want to, and also those are going to be displayed into more controls, and once you click a plus, they are going to be listed in the control center once again. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!